Hi guys! For today's video, let's explore the world of Korean cuisine here. The cooks here prepare good soup, beef, garlic chicken, and more. This restaurant is famous for its great service and friendly staff that is always ready to help you. The question is, it is worth for their unlimited eat-all-you-can 599 price? Okay guys, let's find out. Let's go!
1, 2, 3, let's go!
Pwede pa na imonindot kay ano. Buwan pa man. Sige na nga.
May pa.
May pa. Yan ang mga high school na nga anak na ba? Masugo na.
Hi guys! Padong nami sa among favorite Korean restaurant here in Talisay City, Cebu. Paliko nami guys, padong sa Southscape. And then Manimogo Spotted. So, anha mi mga on guys. Aside from the restaurant guys, naapod ni daghan commercial buildings diri sa Southscape. And inig gabi, daghan kay inig tao dinhi mag-standby, mukaon, and mag-chill-chill. Padong nami sa restaurant guys, and akong kuyog ay na si Madam Guapa kayo. Hi! Guapa kay si Madam. Uy. Ang ngalan di ay sa restaurant nga mong adtuan ron guys is Manimogo. So, Manimogo guys is a Korean restaurant that serves samgyeopsal and other Korean foods. So far, mauni amo ang fave Korean restaurant here in Talisay, which is unlimited na siya guys. Unlimited eat all you can. And this restaurant is perfect for gatherings like with your family, friends, and loved ones, birthday celebrations, especially daghan mo mga on guys. Malingaw jud mo luto-luto. So, we're here na guys at Manimogo Eat All You Can Restaurant. This is the Talisay branch Manimogo Korean restaurant located in Southscape Building, 2nd floor, Lawaan 1, Talisay City, Cebu. So, makita ra gyud siya sa dalan guys. If padong ka sa syudad, makita ra gyud. Mao ni iyahang front view and side view, and nara ilahang entrance, and sa pika side na apod siya entrance. And mauni ilahang eat all you can unlimited prices guys. Na sila 499 unlimited 1, unlimited 2 worth of 549, and their new Manimogo unlimited 3 which is worth 599. Lang business hours 11:30 a.m. to 10 p.m. And let's go to the main event. So hi guys, namiron sa Manimogo para mag-celebrate sa birthday sa among amiga. So, yun siya guys, iyahang entrance. Hi! Happy birthday! Muni ang among birthday girl!
Happy birthday!
So, siya ang
Happy birthday!
mong celebrant for today. The birthday girl. Pila yung dati mo, Min? Ha? Oh, di ba maklaro good? Asa man ang mga gwapa? So, na po mga gwapa. So, mo nilang fun, guys. Na sila only drinks. And ilahang 20 ka side dishes. Ilang side dishes guys, ilaran nang i-display din hindapita. And anytime, pwede ra jud mo magbalik-balik og kuha. Mao ni ilahang yam-yang chicken, kanjang chicken, and garlic chicken. Ilang stir-fried fish cake, chubuki. Uy, na sila kamuti ron. Stir-fried fish cake, murag salad nga potato, and french fries. Dili jud ni mawala ang french fries nila. Na sila sushi and stir-fried meat.
Hi! Hug.
Masay mo ikasultis manimogo, ma'am?
Oh, ako na sa tani.
Ikaw, ma'am, o ako amiga nga gikat Japan. Ilahang bihon, di dyan ni mawala ilang bihon, and especially the lettuce.
Favorite.
And in this area, na sila different kinds of Korean sauces, guys. Toppings. Na sila fruit salad, and of course, the kimchi.
Sabaw.
Ilahang soup. I think this is the soybean soup. And the other one is the seaweed soup. Ano yun? Saan siya, Miss?
Rice.
Ah, rice. Rice? Okay. Hi! Happy birthday, Bening! Happy birthday! Wow! Lagi? So, I have a tip for you guys. The best time to eat here is in the morning until 3 p.m. It's because dili na mo maguwat guys to get a table. Kay during late afternoon and in the evening, daghan na jud mga dinhi guys and maglinya sa gawas. Since it's Mommy Benny's birthday guys, siya ang ni-treat na mo ani nga lunch and she choose the unlimited 3 worth of 599 inclusive of samgyup plus yangyam plus 3 beef flavors plus chicken plus 3 shrimp flavors plus 20 side dishes. And first time ni nako nakatry sa 599. This one is the beef bulgogi spicy. Naasa to siya sweet, dili spicy nga flavor. So appeal to siya sa unlimited 3. And this one, the 3 different kinds of shrimp flavors. This is one of the shrimp flavor guys, the shrimp tempura. So, ang wala makita sa display guys, you can just request the stuff if you want to add more kay mo hatag ra na sila. So, this is my favorite part guys, ang magputos-putos sa lettuce. So, ingon ani ko mukaon diri guys. O, magkuha ko sa akong gusto nga ipalaman sa lettuce. Nya, putangan dayog sauce. Pili lang ka na sila'y daghang sauce. Ingon ani na iyahang itsura guys. O, di ba lami kay siya tan-aon. Dayon imuha dayon ng poston or stick-on di ay patakta raman ko ay. Muna siyang tarong og tiko. Ihamong dayon ini kahuman. Ingon naon pagkaon guys. Ang sakto jud pagkaon ani guys, ihamong gid siya tanan. Kana imong giputos, ihamong jud na siya. Yang saon man daghan man ni akong giputos guys, mo nang wala ko kahamong. Sige na lang ko, tagay na lang kog chance niyo. this is the fun part guys, magsugba-sugba while nagchika-chika. So mao ni ang restaurant nga ikapay mubayad, ikapay magluto. Bitaw not all man sad ang isugba guys, kay naa naman sila yung mga luto daan, the side dishes. And if gigutom na jud mo guys, shift na lang mo og mga fast food. Bitaw, it's up to you guys kung unsay prefer ninyo nga food nga inyong gusto kanon. Kay diri sa Manimugo guys, it all you can siya. But if you have leftover, you have to pay 100 pesos per person. So, nasad ko ilaing tip ninyo guys. Taste before you get many. Para makaon ninyo tanan and no leftovers. And we have time limit for dining, which is 2 hours. And first come, first serve sila guys.
A few moments later.
Busog pa ko na sila. Ay, bitsikaan! Ay, bitsikan-chika! Busog na ka, mami? Nabusog na ka? At sa'yo pinaka-favorite niyo mga food for today?
All man, kaning kwan. Shrimp.
Shrimp? Kanida, shrimp. Kanid si Mami Benny. Mama gini ang birthday girl na to ron. Mami, unsay pinaka-favorite food ni mo for today? All? All ba yung favorite food? Oh, no! Ikaw, unsay pinaka-lami ni mo nga food for today? This one? Shrimp. Pareha mo ni Mami Koan. Mami Suzanne. Ano ba among Koan, Madam? Madam, ito yung pinaka-favorite ni mga food. Katong flavored belly. Exempted lang na kuya. Kaya ko. Uri na si Mami. Uri na wisok. Akong favorite sa Manimugo is this one. What's that? Yan. Ito? Bulgogi. Bulgogi spicy and bulgogi spicy and bulgogi sweet. And syempre, lagi siya lettuce. Okay, lami mo na siya i-paris niya. Butangan dayon og sauce. Pili lang ang gimuhang sauce. That's all.
Nalingaw ra ka? So, mga to ang Manimogo dancers. Manimogo staff di ay dedicated to Mami Benny, our birthday celebrant.
Awa guys, nailaing ka birthday. O, diba? Nanayaw na po sila. So far guys, only triggered ang imuhang 599 guys.